Hey YouTube, welcome back. Problem number 175, combine two tables. It's a SQL problem. So we need to combine two tables. We have person and address using a SQL joint. Since not every person ID has an address, we must ensure that we include all persons even if they don't have a matching entry in the address table. Okay, so we need to understand the problem. First, we need to look about the person table. It contains first name and last name, and the address has address ID, and it has person ID. Sorry, and this one contains it contains a city and the city information, and also it's mapped by the person ID that we did talk about. Since not every person has an entry in address, we must return null for city and state when an address is missing. So how we solve this? I guess we can solve it in 4 lines of code. It's not a hard problem at all. So first we select, and B, it will be first name. We select first name. Right, we select first name, and also we select B dot last name. And we guess should be select from I will make for address, I will make alias a dot city, and I guess a dot date, and I will just make the address. So I would say from a person, and I will put p as an alias, and I'll make like left join. I will join it from the address table, and I'll put it as an alias, and I'll say on p dot person ID, which equals to a dot person ID. Okay, so let's run it, and let's explain the code. Submit. Did it work or not? Yeah, it did work. So how does this work? Left joint ensures that all persons appear in the results. Okay, we make sure that all persons will appear in the results, even if they don't have a matching address. Because of that, we add left joint. If a person ID exists in both tables, like city and states are included. If person ID does not exist in the city, in address, city and state will be null. So yeah, it's a pretty simple, it's a pretty easy way to run it. And I guess the trick was in the left joint, because left joint here also runs in O of n plus m, where n and m are the sizes of the person and the address tables. Yeah, this is a classical SQL join problem. Using left join ensure that all persons appear. So the key to solve this problem is if you know what are left join and what is their purpose. So yeah, that's it for this video. It was a pretty quick video, and yeah, see you in future videos.